My dear brothers and
sisters of our great India.
I am Dr. Avadhesh Kumar Singh, physician and non-interventional cardiologist. I wish you a very happy New Year's. You see, as we step into the New Year's, let us not only change the calendar but take a promise to change the destiny of our nation. A nation doesn't become great by slogan. A nation becomes great by the system that are just, balanced, and people-centric. Today, and in our past decades, many decades, our democracy has suffered a lot. Not because our noble constitution has failed, but because party politics has replaced the people's power. This is very important. The party politics, rather crossroad politics, has replaced the pupil-centric power, pupil power, the spirit of republic. Sane Hind Forum was born to restore this very soul of democracy. We believe that the people are real sovereign, not the parties, not the money, not the power brokers. This is why we say every constituency must have two representatives. First the winner and second one is the runner. These two form at the central level ruling side and opposition side respectively, like the two arms of the human body together. Both will exist the balance, strength and stability of the system. This will yield many results. It will end political defection, black money in elections, manufacturing of hatred by the political parties, unstable government, and destructive polarization. It will create responsible ruling and opposition system, which is very necessary for our national unity, integrity, and for making India really great worldwide. When the power is balanced, no one can hijack the system. If the power is balanced, when the ruling pillar and opposition pillar, they both achieve a mutual synergistic effort for the strengthening of the democracy, and they cooperate each other, our nation builds up. And that day, we can outplace the China and other country. We can be the top and we can restore our glory, ancient glory. That's why I pray you, my dear citizens, that 21st century doesn't need louder politicians. It needs a wiser system based on the science, based on the technology, based on the brainstormings of the intellectuals, professors, based on the cooperation and contribution of all those who are wise and take decision, wisdom oriented decision, rather than their whims oriented. So, in the new year, let us build India. Let us be responsible. Let us make Bharat not just a developing country, but a super power, a true democratic nation. This I tell you from my core of my heart. I do again wish Happy New Year's to you, millions of people. I am doing again namaste to you, my dear brothers and sisters of India. We must be responsible citizens, not only to get our constitutional right,
but our moral and constitutional duty.
to give strength for the unity and cause of the country. Thank you. Namaste. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat. Thank you.